Hello, East Pennine Assembly Hall.
Hello, brother. How are you?
Not too bad, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I helped build East Pennine's Assembly Hall. You know.
Oh, is that right?
Oh, years ago. Yeah, we was on that. You know the caravans they used to have for security. Bob Murfield, two of the elders. We used to keep watch there.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was my assembly hall. Beautiful hall, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Anyway, brother,
Very
I sent a 3-page letter and an 8 GB memory stick to the Bristol Assembly Hall, and they've actually returned it without even looking at the evidence. And I'll just remind you, Proverbs 18:13 says, spouting off before hearing the facts is both shameful and foolish. So they've ignored it. You have been sent the same document.
Okay.
Right? So I'll tell you,
Yep.
right, what's going to happen on the 3rd of August. I'm actually taking over the Watchtower. Brother, I really am Jehovah God Almighty. And if you think that Jesus is going to be king in heaven invisibly, and that I'm setting up a kingdom in heaven invisibly for no one to see like the emperor's clothes, forget it. My son is Jesus Christ in the flesh, which the Shroud of Turin, which the Watchtower don't believe in. My son Joshua matches his face up to 80. Well, the score is 80. 73 is the same person. Face Plus Plus is a Chinese website that specializes in face recognition software. And in fact, my son Joshua in the Shroud of Turin, based on Ray Downing's interpretation and artist impression, matches up with Robert Powell. Do you know Robert Powell, who played the Jesus of Nazareth? And the Passion of the Christ, they all match up, mate. The faces. So look at my YouTube channel, Jehovah'S, Hacche, and look at all the supernatural things that are going on. Do you know the governing body are actually admit that they're not prophets and they're not inspired? In February, in Amos 3 verse 7, it says Jehovah will not do a single thing unless he's revealed his secrets, his confidential matter to his prophets. Right, saying the governing body are basically they are God's channel of communication. Where's your evidence apart from giving scriptures to do with Leah and getting off down on a camel? Can you believe it? You shouldn't even be putting your trust in men, brother. It says in the Bible, do not put your trust in earthly man. Are the governing body men or prophets? If they are prophets, you can trust them. If they admit they are men, you do not trust them. I'm Jehovah God, by the way. How'd you like that? I'm taking over the Watchtower on the 3rd of August, and you will see some supernatural, spectacular stuff, mate. When you get lights on number 23 Harrier Court across the road from me, and I'm saying about the supernatural noises, and then 2 pillars of light appear on my phone, and it's not the phone because you can move away from them. They're actually supernatural, brother, and people are ignoring it.
Is there anything I can help you with today?
Brother, listen, right? You know where it says in Matthew chapter 12 verse 40, listen, brother, or else I will take you to account. Listen, it says that Jesus was in the grave 3 days and 3 nights. How many nights is there from Friday to Saturday, brother? 2 or 3?
I'll talk to you another time. Okay?
Brother, I've recorded it, so I'll be coming after you. I will be coming after you, brother.